All right, Christmas came, Christmas went. This year I had asked for a pair of Bluetooth. I know, I'm an adult now. I still ask my parents for Christmas presents. I apologize. This year I asked for a pair of Bluetooth headphones. We do a lot of traveling. Last year I had purchased the iPhone 7 and it no longer comes with a headphone jack. This is how we make phones waterproof now. So everything's moving over to Lightning or USB-C. So basically I want a new pair of Bluetooth headphones. Never used Bluetooth wireless headphones before. For Christmas I was gifted these puppies. These are the Hopday U8s. These are an extremely affordable pair of Bluetooth headphones. They're only going to cost you about $25 on Amazon. And we're not going to do an unboxing today because I've been using these things for about the past month and I completely love them. So stick around to the end of the review. I'll give you some nice little features that they do and some more information. So starting off here, they come in this nice little pouch, little zipper pouch basically. It's really nice when you travel as much as I do to be able to have a place to put your headphones. What you're going to get is you're going to get 3 different sizes of the inner ear foam pieces. Now they're more of a rubber than a foam, I apologize. But you're going to get 3 sets of those. And other than that, you're going to get your little 6-7 inch micro USB charger, and all that's just going to pack up really nicely inside of your carrying case. So I'll put those back in there for now, and we'll get to talking about the headphones. So basically what you have is you have a set of wireless Bluetooth inner ear headphones. You have a power button right here, so if you click and hold that, you might hear it. Power on. Click and hold again to shut off. Is you have plus and a minus button. Now the plus button also acts as a skip forward. If you hold it down, it will skip forward to the next song. And for the minus button, if you hold it down, it will skip forward to the next song as well. These headphones also come with a microphone, so you can actually use them when you're making Bluetooth phone calls. You're going to answer or pick up your phone with the click of the H here. Probably about, well, let's see how much length this gives you. 24 inches, maybe like 2 feet, which gives you plenty of room. If you're wearing like a hat, or for some reason if you were to put this on the outside of a hoodie, I don't understand why you would actually do that. So, and also aside from that, they give you this little cinch here, which obviously you saw it just pops in really easy, and then you could just cinch it right up, just for like a better hold. You put it here, you could put it behind your head. Obviously, whatever you want to do, it's completely up to you. But I can't say enough about these things. For 25 bucks on Amazon, it's an incredible deal, and it's basically a steal for how well these things work. So some of the positives about these is that they sound great. They have a little bit too deep of a bass profile to them, which I've noticed. But other than that, I think they sound awesome. Some of the negatives that I would say is I'm not too sure about the range. I know that there's sometimes when I'm just kind of like mowing the lawn or I'm shoveling the driveway because I live in Buffalo. These tend to cut out every once in a while. And I'm not sure if it's because of the distance, or I've noticed sometimes just like with my phone, if I have it in my pocket and it's facing the wrong way, the Bluetooth antenna gets interrupted somehow. So I'm not sure if the headphones are to blame or if it's my phone, but I've experienced that with the iPhone with pretty much all of my Bluetooth speakers that I have it paired up with. Other than that, comfort is great. I use these for hours on end, don't really have any complaints. I've used these on the road and they work really great. Battery life is awesome. You're going to get about 8 to 12 hours worth of battery life. At least that's what I've experienced. I've never been wearing these and have run out of battery. We'll just put it that way. So I think that's like a pretty good test. I listened to it for 2 to 3 hours at a time. Never had any issues. So overall, I would give these a 4 out of 5. Like I said, the bass profile, little bit of weirdness with the over the ear, doesn't really do much. And again, it could be the phone, but the fact that I do get some cutouts every once in a while with the Bluetooth, it's not common at all. I would definitely give these a 4 out of 5. And I mean, what else do you expect for a $25 Bluetooth wireless headset? This thing's awesome. If I were you, I'd grab 2 pairs because you know what? For a good pair of Bluetooth headphones, you're paying at least $50. So you go and get 2 pairs of these, and if one runs out of battery, you got the other. So once again, comes with this nice little carrying case. Gonna stuff it all back in here. If you guys have any questions or comments, make sure you leave them below and we will be sure to answer them for you. Appreciate you guys taking some time to watch this review. Make sure you like and subscribe for other upcoming reviews and other content that we'll be putting out shortly. I'm Brandon from We Mustache. Thanks guys, take care.